everyone, it's Amabel. Welcome to the How to Draw channel. Today, I'm going to draw a beautiful but simple house. Let's draw and paint together. First, I'm drawing the roof. Now, I'm drawing the wall of the house. This is a two-story house. We are drawing the tile roof of the first floor. We are drawing the wall of the first floor here. I'm drawing the door. Now I'm drawing the windows. Now I'm drawing the wall of the house. Now I'm drawing the windows. This house has many rooms, so there are also many windows. This house is going to be so colorful! We draw the chimney here. I love drawing and painting houses. Please try to draw this lovely house with me. We're drawing a cloud here. We have a tree here. Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this drawing better. Now we're drawing the sun here. Now let's color the picture to make it more vivid. I'm painting the roof with red. This house is going to be so colorful. We will color the walls of the house light blue. I will paint many colors like red, yellow, purple, green, orange, and many glitter colors for this painting. And you? Which of these colors do you like the most?
Green,
Purple,
Now I'm painting the door purple and will paint the wall yellow.
yellow, orange,
pink,
I love drawing and painting houses. Please try to draw this lovely house with me.
blue,
We're painting this cloud a turquoise color.
brown, green,
house is beautiful, cozy, and has many colors. Would you like to live in a house like this?
Yellow.
The picture is now very beautiful, isn't it? I hope this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the How to Draw channel. See you in the next video.